friends, myself Balakyas, and today I am going to tell you that what are nutrition in plants. We have talked about many things, but I think that we should take now an topic nutrition in plants. First of all, let's take an introduction. All living organisms have great diversity in shapes and sizes, right? Because all animals are not of same size and shapes, right? They have a great diversity in shapes and size. Some is small, some is big, some is like fat, some is thin. Okay, so all living organisms have diversity in their shapes and sizes, which show similarity in their activities, the activities they which do in that. Okay, so they all have to eat. Okay, so first keep in mind all living organisms have to eat, derive energy, produce more of their own kinds, respond to environments, and it is through these activities that they maintain and continue their lives. Keep in mind this thing. Okay, so now now what is nutrition? We just talk about this is nutrition, this is nutrition. Actually, what is the meaning of nutrition? The process of taking or consuming and utilizing food is called nutrition. Simple. Okay, and if you know that nutrition, respiration, and these all growth, reproduction, response to stimuli, they all are called life processes. Why? Because why they are called? Because these are that life processes which all living organism performs. The thing which all living organism performs are called life processes. So, according to that, nutrition, respiration, growth, response to stimuli, excretion are all called life processes. So, I have tell you the definition. What are nutrition? The process of taking or consuming and utilizing food are called nutrition, right? And why we use nutrition? Because to use these life processes, living organism what requires? What requires living organism? Living organism requires a continuous supply of energy and materials. The energy and materials comes from the food that we eat, right? So for this we use nutrition to perform life processes. Okay, I think now you have understood what are nutrition. Okay, if we think that what are food? We eat food, right? We give food to other, right? But what is food? Food are the substance. Food are the substance which gives us energy and material for our growth and maintenance. Okay, so what we have learned till now? We have learned that what are nutritions, what is food, and we have also listened and understand what introduction to nutrition in plants. Now, in some classes you have learned this also, that food consists a number of important components like protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, and minerals, right? Okay, so keep in mind this is very important clue and thing, that these components are very necessary for our body and are called nutrients. Now don't say that this is nutrients, it is similar to nutrition. No way. Nutrition is different and nutrients is different, because nutrition means the process of taking or consuming and utilizing food. That is called nutrition. But what are nutrients? These components are necessary for our body, so these are called nutrients. So don't think this, that nutrients and nutrition are similar. These are not similar. Nutrition is different and nutrients are different. Okay, so in both cases, animals and plants, some basic components like protein, carbohydrate, fat, and minerals are the same. The green plants prepare their own food. Okay, from which they prepare food? with simple inorganic substances. Okay, we know that this is the process of photosynthesis in which these green plants prepare their food. But which things are used to prepare food when the plants make? Think. So the green plants prepare their own food. This you know, but from which substances? With simple inorganic substances. Okay. Now, if you think that there are modes of nutrition, is there any modes of nutrition? So you are correct. There are basically two types of modes of nutrition. First is autotrophic nutrition and second are heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is also known as autotrophs and heterotrophic nutrition is also known as heterotrophs. So what are autotrophic nutrition? Okay, let's learn with enjoy and understanding. So autotrophic nutrition is the nutrition in which an organism prepare its own food by simple substances. It's called autotrophic nutrition. You know, in autotrophic nutrition, this name, autotrophic nutrition, is made up of two names, auto and trophs. What is means of auto? Auto means self, and trophs means nourishment. So if you combine these two meanings, so it will make self-nourishment, right? So autotrophic means self-nourishment, that we have learned that they prepare their own food, that is known as self-nourishment. So autotrophic nutrition is also known as self-nourishment, and these are also called autotrophs. So thus, if anybody asks you that plant is autotrophs or heterotrophs, autotrophic nutrition or heterotrophic nutrition, so you will say autotrophs, otherwise autotrophic nutrition. Okay, because you will say the reason also, you have to tell the reason also, that the plants are thus autotrophic nutrition because they prepare their own food, because autotrophic nutrition itself means the green plants which prepare their own food. So thus plants are self-nourishment, they are autotrophic nutrition. Okay, and autotrophic nutrition are the factory of food. Okay, so thank you, and in other video, don't skip the video, I will tell you what are heterotrophs or heterotrophic nutrition. Thank you.